The 9-inch wireless touchscreen integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily access smartphone functions such as navigation, music, and calls. This product includes a high-quality 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording dashcam, ensuring comprehensive coverage and safety while driving. The smart voice control and live GPS navigation features offer hands-free operation, enhancing driving safety by allowing you to manage navigation, calls, and music without taking your hands off the wheel. With its custom boot logo feature and auto brightness adjustment, the screen provides a personalized and comfortable viewing experience regardless of the time of day. The 9-inch display with split-screen capability allows for multitasking, such as viewing maps while managing music, enhancing convenience for the user. Installation is straightforward with its plug-and-play design, and its versatile mounting options make it suitable for a wide range of vehicles.